5 exercises for women transform your body in just 4 weeks. Are you looking to lose weight and tone this body of yours? Are you looking for a total body transformation in a short time? Then this article is for you. Here are my 5 exercises for women. 1. Downward dog pull. If you are targeting your thighs, core, and bottom muscles, this exercise is for you. And here's how to do it. Set yourself on your hands and knees. Your knees should be directly below your hips, while your hands are a little forward compared to your shoulders. Your toes should be turned inwards and palms spread on the floor. Press back into your heels. You are now in downward dog pull position. Lift your left leg up while balancing the body weight on both your palms, as well as your leg. You've stretched your leg out and it should be straight without any bend at the knees. Hold this for a few seconds. Bring the raised leg down and towards your chest. Repeat this process, but with the other leg. 2. Ball twist. The ball twist exercise is a fun way for me to build core strength. All you need to do is stand with your back straight against a wall. Bend your knees slightly outward. Hold a medium-sized medicine ball in your hands, raising it up to chest level. Twist from side to side. Start slowly and gradually build pace with time. I hope this right here helps you get that body you desire. 3. Tabletop extension. Your knees should be right below your hips. Your shoulders, wrists, and elbows should be in line at 90 degrees to the floor. Rest your head in a neutral position with eyes fixed on the ground. Now lift your left arm and extend it forward so there is no bend at the elbow. Your hand should be parallel to the floor. At the same time, extend the right leg straight back with no bend at the knee. Try to hold the position for a few seconds. Return to your normal position and repeat with the other arm and leg. 4. Dead bug exercise. Lie straight on your back. Raise your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure they are parallel to the floor. Stretch your arms and touch your bended knees. Slowly lower one leg and arm down so they are near the floor but not touching. The other leg and arm shall remain in a raised position. Hold for a few seconds and you will feel the tension in your core muscles. Inhale and exhale. Slowly return to a neutral position and switch sides. Repeat with the other leg and arm. 5. Squats. Extend your arms straight so that they are parallel to the ground. Your weight should be on the balls and the heels of your feet. As you breathe deeply, send your hips backwards and bend your knees. Squat down while focusing on keeping your knees in line with your feet. Come back to a standing position after you've squatted down low enough.